Okay, means one expression is multiplied with expression with the one or more terms. Okay, that we learn. Now today we will solve exercise 9.3 related to that. So here question number 1, carry out the multiplication. Two expressions are given and you need to perform the multiplication. So let's start. 4p into q plus. So here 4p is multiplied with q plus 4p is multiplied with r. If you don't want to write this step, then you can directly multiply 4p with q, that is 4pq, and 4p with r, 4pr. Then it is also right. 4pq plus 4p. Now next one, ab is multiplied with a minus b, so we can write ab into bracket a minus b. Now we can directly write ab is multiplied with a, that is a square b, and ab is multiplied with b, that is ab square, or you can write one more step. ab is multiplied with a minus ab is multiplied with b. So here a is multiplied with a, that is a square b minus ab square. So this is our answer. Now for next one, a plus b, 7a square b square. So a plus b is multiplied with 7a square b square. Here the operation of multiplication is there between two expressions. So now 7a square b square is multiplied with a and b is multiplied with 7a square b square. Now 7 a square and a become a cube, b square as it is, plus 7 a square b. Now for next one, 4a is multiplied with a square minus 9. Now 4a is multiplied with a square minus 9 is multiplied with 4a. So here 4a cube minus 9 4s are 36 a. So this is our answer. Now for last one, pq plus qr plus rp and 0. It means pq plus qr plus rp is multiplied with 0. But we know that any term that is multiplied with 0 gives 0. If you multiply 0 with any term, answer is 0. So here answer is 0. Now question number 2, complete the table. Here first expressions are given, second expression are given, and you need to find the product. So let's start here. First, a is multiplied with b plus c plus d. Okay, so for first one, first expression is a, second expression is b plus c plus d. So here a is multiplied with b gives ab, a is multiplied with c gives ac, and a is multiplied with d gives ad. So this is our answer. Now second, x plus y minus 5 is multiplied with 5xy. So here 5xy is multiplied with x, 5xy is multiplied with y, and 5xy is multiplied with 5. Here minus 5 is there, so here our sign is minus. Now 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 5 by 25x. So this is our answer of product. Now third one, p is multiplied with 6p square minus 7p plus 1. You can directly multiply, then it is also correct. P is multiplied with 6p, so it is 6p cube. Here p and p square become p cube. Minus 7p and this one p, that become p square. And 5 plus multiply with p become 5p. Now fourth one, 4p square q square is multiplied with p square minus q square. So here 4p square q square is multiplied with p square, and 4p square q square is multiplied with q square. Here minus sign is there, so we write minus sign. Now 4p square q raised to 4, p square and q raised to p raised to 4 and q square. Why? Because p square become p raised to 4 and q square as it is. 4 p square as it is. Now q square and q square become q raised to 4. Now fifth one, a plus b plus c is multiplied with abc. So let's directly multiply abc with a. So here how many times a we have? 2 times. So it is a square bc. Now abc is multiplied with b. So we have a b square c, and abc is multiplied with c, become ab c square. Now question number 3, find the product. Here first one is a square multiply a, 2a raised to 22 multiply 4a raised to 26. So here I already told you that this is the concept of exponent and power. But let's learn some rules of exponent and power. Whenever there is a multiplication of number with the same base, then you can add the exponent. Here a square means what? A multiply a. Okay, a square means what? It is a multiply a. If it is a cube, then it means a multiply a. It means if it is a raised to 22, means a is multiplied with 22 times, and here a is multiplied 26 times. So total how many times a we have? That is 2 times, 22 times and 26 times. Means in a product we need to add the exponent. So here we can add first, multiply the numerical coefficient. Here 1, 2 and 4. 1 2s are 2. Multiply 4. A square multiply a raised to 22 multiply a raised to 26. Now if we apply exponent and power concept, it becomes 2 plus 22 plus 26. Okay. So 8a raised to 50. Okay. So this is the answer. 8a raised to 50. You can count. 2 times a plus 22 times means it is 24 times, and 24 times and 26 times become 50 times. So a raised to 50. Now next one, 2 by 3 xy multiply minus 9 by 10 x square y square. So here first of all we multiply the numerical coefficient, that is 2 by 3 multiply 9 minus 9 by 10. Now algebraic coefficient, x is multiplied with x square and y is multiplied with y square. You can directly write it as x cube and y cube. Now, is there any common factor in this? 2 5s are 3 3s are 9. So it is minus 3 by 5 x cube y. So this is our answer. Now next one, minus 10 by 3 p q raised to 3 6 by 5 p cube cube. So again combine the numerical coefficient. P is multiplied with p cube and q cube is multiplied with q. So here, is there any common factor that can be cancelled out? Yes. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4, but it is minus 4. P into p square become p raised to 4. P raised to q raised to 3 and q become q raised to 4. So this is our answer. Now next, x multiply x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. So again you can apply the concept. Here x raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. It is x raised to 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10. You can see here x is 1 time, x square is x multiply x. This is our x square. X cube means x multiply x, and x raised to 4 means x multiply x 4 times. So how many times total x? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It means x raised to 10. So instead of this, you can write this one 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Add the exponent, but when the base is same. Okay. Now question number 4. Simplify 3x into bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3 Find its value for x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here, first of all we need to simplify this one. So let's simplify. So 3x into bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3. So here 3x is in a multiplication with 4x minus 5. So let's multiply. 4 3s are 12. X is multiplied with x square. 3x minus 5, that is 15x plus 3 as it is. Okay, 3x is only in a multiplication of these two terms. Now for x is equal to 3. Now for x is equal to 3 means instead of x you need to write 3. So let's write 12. It is 3 square here. X square is 3 square. 15 into x. That is 15 into 3 plus 3. Now simplify. 3 3s are 9 minus 15 3s are 45 plus 3. Okay. 12 9s are 108. 45 plus 3. 45 is minus. So it becomes minus 42. Why? Because you can see minus 45 plus 3 is subtraction of number. One number is negative, one number is positive. Integer concept, so it is 42. Now subtract 108 minus 42, it gives 66. Okay. Now next one. X is equal to 1 by 2. So here what we need to do? Instead of x we need to write 1 by 2. So x 12 1 by 2 square here because it is a, you can see here it is x square. Instead of x if we write 1 by 2 means it is 1 by 2 square minus 15 1 by 2 plus. Okay. Now 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. Square means 1 by 2 multiply 1 by 2. It becomes 1 by 4. So 12 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. So here we can cancel out this one. 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Now simplify this. 3 plus 3 6. Now minus 15 by 2 plus 6. Okay. So here we need 2. So 6 is multiplied with 2 and divided by 2. That is 12 by 2. Now minus 15 plus 12 is 3 by 2, but it is negative. This is the concept of rational number. We already learned addition and subtraction of rational number. Now next one. Simplify a into bracket a square plus a plus 1 plus 5 and find the value for a is equal to 0, a is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 1. So here first we multiply a with a square plus a plus 1 and then we write the value of a is equal to 0, a is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 1. So first let's simplify. So here a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. So here a is multiplied with a square become a cube. A is multiplied with a become a square. And a is multiplied with 1 become a plus 5. Now for a is equal to 0 means instead of a you need to write 0. So it is 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5. 0 cube is 0. 0, 0 plus 5. So answer will be 5. Now a is equal to 1. So a cube plus a square plus a plus 5 means instead of a we need to write 1. So it is 1 cube, 1 square, 1 plus 5. 1 cube means 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. That is 1. 1 square is also 1. 1 multiply 1. Plus 1 plus 5, that will be 8. Now for a is equal to minus 1. So instead of a you need to write -1. So here -1 cube plus -1 square plus -1 plus 5. Instead of a you need to write -1. Now -1 cube means -1 -1 -1. So it is concept of integer multiplication. So become -1. If we multiply -1 two times, it becomes +1. So here -1 plus 1 plus -1 plus 5. So -1 plus 1 will be cancelled out. 5 minus 1 become 4. So this is our answer. Now example 5. Add p into bracket p minus q, q into bracket q minus r, and r into bracket r plus p. So first of all we will simplify each one. So here p into p minus q, p is multiplied with p become p square, p is multiplied with q become p. Now q minus r. So here q is multiplied with q become q square, and q is multiplied with r become r or qr. R into bracket r minus p. So here r is multiplied with r become r square, and r is multiplied with p become minus r. So here addition of these three expression, p square minus pq plus q square minus rp plus r square minus q square minus rq. So now can you see any like terms in this 6 term? No, all are unlike terms. So you can arrange it as a p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus rq minus r. So this will be our answer because we cannot further simplify this. Now add 2x z minus x minus y and 2y into bracket z minus y minus x. So first of all we will simplify each expression. 2x z minus x minus y. So here this become 2x into z become 2xz, 2x into minus x become 2x square, and 2x minus y become 2xy. Now for next one, 2y into bracket z minus y minus x. 2y is multiplied with z become 2yz. 2y is multiplied with minus y become minus 2y square, and 2y is multiplied with x become minus 2xy. Now addition of both expression. So we have 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square minus 2xy. Now can you see any like terms? Yes. Minus 2xy and minus 2xy. These are like terms. Remaining are unlike terms. So we can write 2xz plus 2yz. This is 2xz plus 2yz. Minus 2xy become minus 4xy. And remaining minus 2x square is 2y square. So this is our answer. Now see part. Subtract 3l into bracket l minus 4n plus 5n from 4l into bracket 10n minus 3n plus 2n. So here we will simplify both expression first. So first is 3l n minus 4n plus 5n. Now simplify this. So 3l is multiplied with l become 3l square. 3l is multiplied with 4n become minus 12ln. 3l is multiplied with 5n become 15ln. Now for next expression, 4l into bracket 10n minus 3n plus 2n. So here 4l is multiplied with 10n become 40n. Okay. Now 4l is multiplied with 3n become minus 12ln. And 4l is multiplied with 2n. So it is plus 8n. So now subtraction from this expression you need to subtract this one. So we can write 40 ln minus 12 ln plus 8 l square. Below that we need to write the term with the like. So here 15 ln is like term with 40 ln. So we can write here 40 ln, 15 ln, 12 ln, 12 ln are like terms. So we can write here and it is 3 ln. Now in the subtraction, sign need to change. So here minus, plus, minus. Now 40 minus 50, 25 ln. This will be cancelled out. So it is 0 plus 5 l square. 8 minus 3 is 5. So answer is 25 ln plus 5 l square. Clear? Now next, subtract 3a into bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b into bracket a minus b plus c from 4c into bracket minus a plus b plus c. So first of all, this is a whole expression. We need to simplify this one. So here 3a into bracket a plus b plus c minus 2b a minus b plus c. So let's simplify. 3a is multiplied with a, become 3a square. 3a is multiplied with b, become 3ab, and 3a is multiplied with c, become 3ac. Now minus 2b multiplied with a. Be careful whenever there is a negative sign. Minus 2b multiplied with a become minus 2ab. Minus 2b multiplied with minus b, it becomes plus 2b square. And minus 2b multiplied with c become minus 2bc. Here minus minus sign become plus. Now is there any like terms? 3a square as it is. 3ab minus 2ab become a plus 3ac minus 2bc plus 2bc. Now remaining are unlike terms, so we need to write as it is. Second expression is 4c into bracket minus a plus b plus c. Now we simplify this. 4c is multiplied with minus a become minus 4ac. 4c is multiplied with b become 4bc. And 4c is multiplied with c become 4cc. Now subtract this one from this one. So we can write minus 4ac plus 4abc plus 4c square minus 3a square plus ab plus 3ac plus minus 2bc plus 2bc. Okay. From this expression, this is first one. Subtract second expression. Now in the subtraction, change sign of each term. Minus sign is for subtraction, so we will write minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus ab minus 3ac plus 2bc plus minus 2bc. Here all sign of second expression is changed. Plus 3a square become minus 3a square, plus ab become minus ab, plus 3ac become minus 3ac, minus 2bc become plus 2bc, and minus 2bc become plus 2bc, and minus 2b square become plus 2b square become minus 2b square. All sign of second expression is changed. Now find the like terms. Minus 4ac minus 3ac become minus 7ac. Okay. 4bc plus 2bc becomes 6bc. Now remaining term we need to write as it is because they are unlike term. 4a square, 4c square minus 3a square minus 2b square minus 6. So this will be our answer because all are now unlike term.